I wanted to model high heels for some time and finally got around to it. Looks like things I make these days are all red for some reason. Christmas affecting my mood, I guess. Please subscribe to support my channel if you haven't. Let's get started. Shift A to add a single vert. I'm just gonna extrude to trace the shoe sole from top view. Don't make it too dense cause we're gonna add a subsurf modifier anyway. Yours doesn't have to look like mine. The basic process will be the same, so don't be afraid to try what's on your mind. Press F to fill last two verts. Select these 4 verts and fill. Press 2 for edge mode and keep pressing F to fill to the top. Ctrl R to add a loop cut and add a subsurf modifier in object mode. I'm just lining up each row of verts by scaling them in the y-axis entering 0. This extra step will save me from confusion when I pull verts in X-ray mode later on. Just refining the shape here. I'm gonna turn off the sole image and show the image I got from unsplash.com. Select all and enter -1 while scaling in the y-axis to flip the mesh. I'm gonna move the image to the right a bit and disable selection. Let's select all outer verts and extrude a little in the z-axis for a supporting loop. Extrude again and shade smooth. Time to move verts to fit the shape in X-ray mode. Select these 2 verts and press F to fill. Do the same for these vert pairs and select all 3 edges to subdivide. Now that we have necessary geometry for quads, select the appropriate edges to fill. Continue moving verts to fit the shape. Remember, you have to hit G twice to slide verts. We do need another loop cut here to shape it better. I'm gonna scale these verts out in the x-axis. Move and slide verts around the best you can. I'm not fast forwarding in this video to show you that modeling something does take time. Don't get discouraged thinking you're not fast enough like the people who make tutorials. Try to enjoy the process. You can use the smooth tool for areas that you think are too sharp and may give you shading issues. Let's add a solidify modifier and move it up the stack. I'm gonna add a supporting loop, but it needs some cleaning up because I just want it around the opening area, not the toe area. Select these edges and press Ctrl X to dissolve them. Do the same for these edges. Merge these verts and we're done cleaning up. Before working on the heel area, apply the solidify modifier. Change orientation to normal and move these verts to prepare for extrusion. Extrude tiny bit, then extrude one more time. Change orientation back to global and scale to flatten the selected area. Scale and move it into position. I'm gonna slide verts to make somewhat square shape. Extrude down, scale, then add a loop cut. Let's refine the shape in X-ray mode. Slide these verts down to ease sharpness. How was the tutorial? It wasn't that difficult, was it? Hope you had fun modeling as much as I did. Have a great day and I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Thanks for watching.